Hi everyone, I'm excited to have you. My name is Abel Grey Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you the episode 19 of this training is going to be covering the roof. I'll be showing you how to come about your roof in your Revit software. Let's jump right into it. We have covered a very wide range. You can go down below the description of this video to visit the channel and keep yourself busy. So right now let's go down to our roof straight away. We'll come to architectural tab and I will click on my roof here. You can see if I click this, a drop down menu will come up for me. I will click on roof by footprint and I will select that. Then once I'm here, I will click on a line. If I click on this line, I will trace the part of this my fascia which I created just in the previous episode. Sorry, I think I made a mistake here. I have to trace it to the end. Let me undo this. Okay, I will click on line. Make sure your line is stopping at where you want that roof to be created. So here and then here. So this has been created. Very important here, if you check here, you see basic roof generic is 225. That is, the thickness of this roof is going to be 225, which is very thick. So I'm going to reduce this by and make this a 5 mm thickness of a roof. You can double check to know what the actual thickness of a roof should be. A roof sheet should be it. Okay, but I am just going to adopt 5 mm in this tutorial, and I will click on edit here. When I click on edit, I will change this value to 5 and I will click on OK. I will click on apply and I will click on OK. Now if you look at this, you will see that the slope of this roof is 36 by 0.87. okay, so don't worry, I will show you how to change that. I will click on finish, although I can change it from here, but then let's just leave it as it is right now, and let's view this in our 3D view. If I come to view, I will come to 3D. You can see that our roof has been created. Okay, but then here now I can change the slope. If I come to the roof, I will just click on the roof. Like, you know, I deliberately did not change that. If I click down here, you can see it's going down automatically with this. Let me Ctrl Z and take it back to its original height. But then if I click on it as it is and I try to change the slope of this to 45 degrees and I press enter, you can see that the height of this roof has actually increased. So what if I want to reduce this? I will change this to 30 degrees. So however, whatever slope you want to adopt in your design, you can achieve that by simply changing the angle. Okay, so this is basically how to come about with your roof design, although there are some little settings that you can actually achieve from here, which I didn't show you, but as we progress in the tutorial, I'm definitely going to be showing you some more deeper things. Like, you know, this training, the essence is just to guide you as a beginner to understand how to make use of a Revit as a beginner. Alright, if you already love what you are seeing, make sure that you like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, it's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon for you to get a notification whenever I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Make sure that you stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.